Big Bud is an iconic tractor, and you know, the 747 was built in the 70s, the 440 was built in the 80s, and the exciting part is we're working with Big Equipment, who is the manufacturer of Big Bud, and Rome Plowing Company out of Georgia, and they are actually developing a new 2023 Big Bud.
I'm Ron Harmon. I'm the owner, president of Big Equipment Company. We wanted to build a tractor that was capable of doing about any type of construction work, and as well as the farming side of things, which is what we've been doing since 1969. You know, it's not unusual for us with our prior Big Buds to have 10, 20, 30, even 40,000 hours on our tractors. What we're trying to do is duplicate that again. But we wanted to build something a little more heavy duty than we've ever done before. But the big deal is that this tractor was built so that there's no restrictions. So if you as an end user want to fix and repair your own tractor, you're able to do so without restriction. You can build a heavy duty tractor, you can build a tractor that's accessible, but if you can't get the power to the ground, it doesn't do you a lot of good. And we've selected the LSW tires as being our primary tire that we're suggesting that people use. Their footprint is nice and flat, and it keeps the pound per square inch down, and we just think they're one of the very best tires out there. So we strongly suggest LSW tires on our tractor.
We're fortunate enough to be working with Ron and Big Equipment on those guys on fitting up our LSWs on those tractors. And the first tire that we have is a 710 6546 Optitorque. The Optitorque is more of a scraper type tire for scraper applications, but they've got plans to maybe offer a setup like the 1000 4532s on some of these tractors, or 1250s and 1400 singles. The options are endless with these guys, and we're pretty excited to be a part of it.